Hi guys, for this video, this discussion is about standard scores. So, I'm Trisha Birabe from ABM 11 Warren Buffett. So, let's proceed. So, sa sinulat ko po na to is standard scores. The standard scores or C-scores measure how many standard deviation a given value or X is above and below the mean. Kapag positive, ang C-score is above. And kapag negative, ang C-score mo is below the mean. So, ito po yung for sample of data. Para po malaman natin kung ano po yung formula na. Itong C, standard score. Ang X, ito po, raw score observed value. Ang X bar is sample mean. Ang S naman po ay sample standard deviation. So, ito po ang formula ng standards or ito yung sample ng data. So, kumuha po ako ng example. On the final examination in biology, the mean was 75 and the standard deviation was 12. Determine the standard score of a student who receive a score of a 16, assuming that the scores are normally distributed. So, first is isusulat po natin ang formula po ng sample data. C natin is standard score minus X bar. Ang X bar natin is sample mean. Divide S. Ang S po natin is sample standard deviation. So, ang gagawin po natin dyan is ilalagay po natin yung C, yung standard score. So, ang sabi po din is determine the standard score of a student who receive a score of 60. Diba nga po, ang sabi po din is yung C po natin is standard score. So, ilalagay po natin yung 60. Yan po. And minus yung X bar po natin is mean, sample of mean natin is 75. So, ilalagay po natin siya din yung X bar. Yung S na natin sample na deviation is 12. And then subtract. 60 minus 75 equals negative 15. So, negative 15 over 12. 15 divided by 12 equal is negative 1.25. Yan po ang nakuha po nating total. Diba po pag sinabi po natin na kapag negative score mo naman is below, sabi po natin din kapag positive naman po ang score natin is above the mean. Kapag naglagay na nag-sketch po tayo ng normal curve, is ganyan po. Sa gitna, ang ibig sabihin po sa gitna, yan po ang mean natin, which is 0. So, yung pag dini po, nakuha po natin is above, is positive din Pag negative naman po is below. So, ang nakuha po natin din is negative. So, lalagyan po natin siya ng negative 1. Kasi po, 1.25. So, dito po siya nakalagay. Kasi po, dito ang negative 3, negative 2, and negative 1. So, dito po siya nakalagay sa negative below. Dahil dito po is positive 1, positive 2, and positive 3. So, ganyan po ang nakuha po nating sagot. So, yun lang po aking discussion about standard scores. Ang ginawa ko po is, pinakita ko po sa inyo sa ginawa ko pong scratch na paper. Pinakita ko po dun yung example and kung paano po gawin ang procedure na by step. And nakuha po natin dun is negative 1.25, which is at po yan. So, yun naman po, and thank you for watching. Bye!